Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hilton Vacation Club Ocean Beach Club Virginia Beach. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, beachfront, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Hilton Grand Vacations Ocean Beach Club featuring 3 seaside pools along with a poolside cafe and bar. This resort located on the boardwalk provides a 32-inch flat-screen cable TV in each accommodations. Virginia Beach Amusement Park is 1.4 miles away. The contemporary designed studios and suites at the Ocean Beach Club Resort feature a dining area. A kitchenette or full kitchen is included in all accommodations. The state-of-the-art gym offers floor-to-ceiling windows with views of the North Atlantic Ocean. Oceanfront yoga is available at the Beach Club Resort Ocean and guests can find entertainment in the game room. On-site dining includes Tortuga Cafe and the Tiki Bar. Guests can enjoy a sandwich from the cafe or a house cocktail from the bar while relaxing at the pool. Virginia Zoological Park is 20.4 miles from the resort. Norfolk Botanical Garden is a 25-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.